Hapon na ang punta sa field. Tati, kick the ball. Oh, Tati, there's trash. Huh? No, there's a trash. Kick. give back. Bo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Airplane. 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 Tati saw an airplane. Let's video the airplane. Okay. Tati will exercise. Yeah. Hold tight. Hold tight. You got scared. Oh, let go. See, Tati got scared.
Yeah, I must be bigger.
You must be bigger.
Yeah, I must grow.
Okay. Up here. Good job. Tati, go back. Tati, there's cars. Go back. No, that's for big kids. Huh? Let's just watch, Tati. Kulit mo ah. Sa laki ng saranggolang ngayon. Wow! Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, delikado yun. Tati, get away. Tati, go back here, go back. Tati, I told you it's dangerous. Go back here. It's dangerous. Joy, not enjoy. Hoy, ang kulit mo, ini nga. Hindi ka na nga. Sabi ng makakasakit sa'yo, yan ang kulit mo, bunini ka. Dangerous nga yung kite na yan kasi oh, look at the sticks oh. It will hit your face, your head. Let's just play here. Look, let's go here, it's dangerous. Let's go here to the side. Look the kite, it will hit you. See, it's dangerous. See, there, it will hit you. You want to get hit by the kite? Huh? Play with the ball. Saan? Honey, look mommy. Saan ang kulit ni Tati? Inaagawan niya ng saranggola. Yung bata, ang laki ng saranggola, delikado. Ang matulis yung dulo. Pwede siyang tamaan. Hello. Tama, saan yung saranggola? Ang laki oh. Kaya kang ilipad dyan, Tati. Saan? Tingnan mo yung eroplano na to. Dalawang eroplano sa airbase. Ang baba ng lipad sa Camellia. Nagpa-practice sila, tapos dumadaan sila dito sa residential. No?
Can I run?
Motor ang mami. Mami ah. Motor ang mami. Sa tapat lang ng puting kotse. Si Papi nagsasagot ng activity mathematics para sa kanyang Happy Meal. Ayaw magpa-istorbo. Are you done, Tati? Okay, I'm sorry. Go. I'm not gonna disturb you. Not gonna disturb you again. Go. Answer.
Never, don't disturb me. Because I'm still not done. Never, don't talk to me. When I finish, you call me if I'm done.
Yes po. Yes, boss.
If I'm not done, you just wait for me until we are done.
Okay po. Okay
Play
po.
your game.
Okay po.
Remember,
Nagalit eh.
when I'm done, you call me.
Oh, go.
If
Ang kulit mo ah.